guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be taste testing a bunch of different flavored Peeps. We have a lot of different flavors here, and I'm really excited to try them. So yeah, let's roll the intro. Yo.
Hey guys, it's Addison.
So, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and press that red subscribe button and turn on my bell notification so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. So, let's get started. So, what do you guys want to try first?
Start with?
Let's
start with the hot tamales.
No, I think we should do those ones last.
No, they're not hot. Let's get them out of the way first. Okay.
Alright, so we're going to try the hot tamale ones first. So, oh, they're really red. Don't try it yet.
Thank you.
Okay,
Really good.
ready?
Alright, ready?
It's like pink inside.
Here we
so,
go.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's not good. Yeah, I mean.
It doesn't really have any flavor. And it's not really spicy at all.
No,
It's
it's
not
only
spicy.
just cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's like
not-
a weak hot tamale.
Yeah. Here, that. Okay. What do you want to try next? I think we should try this one
Oh.
next.
Okay.
Alright.
What is that?
This is chocolate pudding. So, here they are. They're just brown.
Those ones stink. I think they kind of do. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad, but it's not good. Oh, and at the end, we're going to be telling our favorite and our least favorite. So, yeah.
Tastes like chocolate ready with. Yeah, they're not very good.
Yeah, they're alright. Okay, I think we should try
Get that out of the way. Yeah.
these ones next, since they're just like...
Root beer float.
Oh, they're root beer. Oh. Have we even tried these? I don't think so. Alright, these are root beer float ones.
Yeah. I think I've tried them. These things look cool.
Yeah. They're like a brown gold. Alright.
Sparkly.
Yeah, here they are. So,
Alright, ready?
I like these.
I mean, it's not good though. The flavor's too weak on them.
It's not good, but it's not bad.
It is a minimal flavor. Oh, for all of them, probably.
Yeah, they don't really have much taste.
Good.
Okay. Now we're going to try fruit punch.
This is the one I've been wanting to try.
I think I've tried this before.
They look like the hot ones.
It definitely smells good. It does look just like the hot ones. Except these ones are like more like wet feeling.
Ready?
Yeah, go. I like it.
No. That's awful.
It's really good. I'm gonna take these.
Ugh. Got like a sweet aftertaste.
I like it.
It's terrible. You do cotton candy. Those are my favorite. Those might be good.
Alright, next we have cotton candy. They're like blue and pink. They look really cool.
Doesn't really smell like much. Alright.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Not really
taste like
much.
anything.
I remember the flavor being stronger last year.
Yeah, I don't taste nothing.
Just tastes like a peach, but maybe a little sweeter.
I don't taste nothing.
Doesn't really taste like cotton candy at all.
Mm-mm.
That's been the best one so far.
No, it's not.
No flavor is the best flavor. Yeah.
Alright, what should we try next? I think we should do the watermelon one. Right?
Yeah, do the watermelon. Fruit Loop is last.
Yeah. Okay, next we have watermelon. I'm excited about this one.
I don't know why.
It looks cool.
Because these ones
it's
are
more
not
like
good. Alright.
Go.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's not bad. I like watermelon flavored things.
I'm taking this with me.
I mean, I guess you're right. It's kind of not that bad.
I like it.
That might be the second best in each case. Dude, get these out of the way because I know these are gonna be bad.
Okay, so these ones have like
Filled. Oh God.
it's got like chocolate covered stuff on the bottom of the peep. See? It's like rock.
Ah.
So
You have to bite halfway through. They got caramel swirl in it.
alright, 3,
Halfway.
2, 1, go. Yeah.
That changes it up though.
I like these. There's only one more left.
Still not good, but it does make it better.
I like it.
The caramel is very low quality. Well,
It definitely has some caramel in it.
I've never seen them like that.
Me either.
Not good. All right. Save that one over here.
Okay. Now,
No.
this is another like chocolate covered on the bottom,
Oh, Jesus.
but it's raspberry flavored this time.
All right. Not filled.
I don't think so. It's got white chocolate though.
All right, go. Disgusting.
I mean, it's not bad.
good.
I
No.
kind of like it.
I hate that flavor.
It's okay though. Okay. Last, we have Fruit Loops flavored
I want the green.
Peeps. I'm kidding.
I want blue.
And I'm gonna take red.
Take the
Okay.
orange.
Why?
Because we haven't done orange. We've done the red ones.
Okay. Oh,
You gotta take one red, huh?
yeah. Okay. You want green?
Mm-hmm.
Don't try it. Does it
It
smell
does
like?
smell like Fruit Loops. I mean,
There you go. And oh god.
I mean, a little
I'm gonna
bit.
take This.
let's wait, too.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. That's not what I was expecting. A little bit. Very slightly.
Yeah. It's not what I expected
not
either.
what I thought. Yeah.
I don't
Thought
really
the
taste
flavor would be
it.
better than that. Cool though.
Yeah, I don't really taste anything. Yeah.
All right. So what was the
All
best?
right.
Or the worst?
Okay.
The worst.
You go first, saying what you like and what you didn't like.
So the worst one for me. Let me see. The worst one for me.
I think it's easy.
The raspberry. The raspberry was the worst, and my favorite was I'm gonna say it was a tie between the watermelon and the cotton candy. We'll see if anyone else
Okay,
agrees.
you go next.
And the worst was obviously the raspberry one,
Mm.
but my favorite was the cotton candy. Again, that was my favorite last year too, I think.
For my worst, I'm definitely gonna have to go with the raspberry because that was pretty gross. And then for my favorite, I'm gonna do fruit punch.
What?
A fruit punch and watermelon.
Oh, just nasty.
Watermelon wins then.
I like watermelon too. Yeah.
All right.
So there's all our favorites and least favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and press the red subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Peace.